You're doing your best, but still not getting results. What if I told you it's not about working harder, it's about breaking 5 habits you don't even realize are holding you back? Let's fix them right now. You ever feel like you're stuck in quicksand, working harder but barely moving forward? You might be doing everything right, but there could be some deeply ingrained habits holding you back without you even realizing it. If you're tired of overthinking and underachieving, this video will help you shift gears fast. No, you won't. When will be later. And later can often turn into never. You see, waiting keeps you safe. When you see someone doing better, feeling behind, that comparison kills your energy before you even begin. It's like looking at a movie screen. If you're right in front of it, it's too bright, you squint. New videos every week to help you grow smarter, earn better, and level up from the inside out. This is Level Up Studio. Let's build something better. You step back and it becomes a clear, beautiful picture. That's your perspective. And remember, everyone else is doing the same. They're looking at their own screens, comparing themselves to everyone. So here's the fix. Replace comparison with curiosity. Ask, what can I learn? Not why not me. Be genuinely curious. Look at what others are doing and think, how can I apply that to my life? What can I learn from it? It's comfortable, it's familiar. But here's the catch. It also keeps you stuck. The right time doesn't exist, you have to create it. Think about that for a second. Here's the truth. You won't be ready. There will always be another reason, another excuse, another thing that comes up. That's what waiting tells you. But here's what action tells you. Action says you're capable, you're strong, you're resourceful. It builds your confidence. So instead of waiting for the right time, start before you're ready. Action creates readiness, not the other way around. Trust me, the longer you wait, the heavier the burden. Sooner you start, sooner you finish, sooner you level up. The motivation fades. The project dies. Does any of this sound familiar? Overthinking can turn possibilities into paralysis. But here's the deal. Potential doesn't get you anywhere. Progress does. That's nothing. Stop it. That's everything. Every small win counts. Celebrating small wins boosts your mood, increases your motivation, and helps you build momentum. It's like climbing a mountain. Each step up, no matter how small, brings you closer to the top. So here's the fix. Track your small wins daily. They add up. You'll be amazed at how much you achieve. These habits are sneaky, but now that you've seen them, you've got the upper hand. You don't need to change your life overnight. Break one habit at a time. Be patient with yourself. Stay curious and keep taking action. Remember, you're not defined by your habits, but your habits do define your growth. So which one will you break first? Let me know in the comments. Enter the fix. Stop aiming for perfect. Start aiming for done. Think of it like writing a book. Would you wait till your story is completely finished before you start writing, or would you just start putting pen to paper? The same goes for everything else in life. To start, the more you practice, the better you'll get. The more feedback you receive, the more you refine. Remember, progress beats potential every single time. So today we're going to do some serious introspection and tackle those bad habits head on. Get ready to dive deep, get real with yourself, and discover how to break free from the things that are holding you back. It's time to level up. Welcome to Level Up Studio, where mindset meets money, social skills, and real growth. No one starting, but never finishing. You get excited, start things, maybe even tell people, then you stop. No. 2. Scrolling with no limit. You check your phone for 5 minutes, then look up and an hour is gone. You're not lazy. Your attention has been hijacked. Social media is designed to keep you scrolling. Endless feeds are like a never-ending buffet of entertainment. You go in for a quick bite and suddenly you wasted an hour. Time to reclaim your focus. Enter the fix. Use app timers or just move your most used apps to the last screen. You'll have to jump through some hoops to get to them, giving your brain a chance to catch its breath and focus on the task at hand. Remember, protect your focus like it's money, because it is. No, waiting for the right time. I'll start when I'm ready. Number 4. Comparing yourself to everyone. You're playing your own game. Remember that. No. 5. Ignoring small wins. You ate healthy once, read for 10 minutes, said no to distractions, but then said, and remember, you've got this. We're all in this together.